My name is Ivan Vinogradov. I'm studying animal intelligence. I'm designing special IQ tests for animals so that I can measure their memory, learning, navigation skills, even their abilities to control emotions. We work with a lot of fish in our lab, and one time we had a pretty funny story that happened to us. We keep fish in special aquaria, and one day, I think one of my colleagues, maybe that was myself, we forgot to close the lid on that aquarium. So a lot of fish started jumping out. Luckily though, there was other aquaria just below that one. So they all sort of migrated from the one above to the one below. And when we came up the next day, we thought, oh, where did all our fish go? And they somehow just all migrated to the tank below and started making friends with the fish from the other experiment. That was a bit strange.